What's going on, guys? Tatiani Favors here, your tax business coach. And today in this video, we'll discuss what I've identified as the three phases of a tax professional's career. And I'd like to share this with you because I believe it's important for you to understand where you currently are and what is next. So, I also want you all to understand that when I explain these phases to tax professionals, a light bulb typically goes off, right? Or turns on, goes off, turns on, however you say it, right? And they can immediately put into context the meaning behind their actions, okay? So the goal is the same in this video. The goal is for you to have those same aha moments that happen to my students. Okay. I want them to happen to you as well. So let's go ahead and dive into these three phases of a tax professional's career: money, time, and impact, in that order. Okay. In that order. And so, when a tax professional first enters into the industry, and you all could definitely resonate with this, when you first entered into this industry, your number one goal is get into the bag, okay? As the kids would say, get into the bag, aka get as much revenue as possible. Okay. They want to yield a profit. They want to enhance their living circumstances, their bank accounts. They want to make sure they can pay bills, go on vacation. Simply put, make a significant profit. It's all about the money. Okay. And so during this phase, most decisions are made with money as the priority. And getting clients, of course, plays a major role because that ensures a steady stream of income. Okay. So money, money, money is the number one phase. The second phase is time. Okay. So after, and this, and don't get me wrong, this could be after a tax season, after 10 tax seasons, however long it takes you to get the money that you want that will sustain either your current lifestyle or the lifestyle that you want, then you move on to phase number two, which carries the sentiment of, okay, I got the money now, my bills are paid, but now I need my time back. Okay. Because what happens is they spend so much time chasing the money in phase one that now they have all the money, but no time. Okay. Time is limited, it is just not there. And so during phase two, tax professionals tend to desire more family time or simply just more time to pursue other endeavors. Okay. Because once your money is no longer funny, you're like, well, I have options now. I can invest, I can pursue other endeavors, I can spend time with my kids, my family, my loved ones. Okay. I can do this now that I'm not worried about paying my bills. And so during phase two, the tax professional will engage in such behaviors like implementing systems and SOPs, which is short for standard operating procedures, various technologies, automation. They start to build a team so they can begin delegating tasks to reduce time spent on repetitive tasks and slowly but surely take their hands off the wheel. Okay, slowly but surely removing themselves from the everyday hustle and bustle in the tax business. Okay, and and then fast forward a little bit, as their efforts of gaining their time back pays off, they also may start investing time and money into either personal or professional development. Okay. This can include, but not limited to, mental health, physical health, and well-being. Okay. And once that tax professional has their time back to do whatever they please, then the desire to make an impact kicks in, okay? And that leads to phase number 3, making an impact. And in phase number 3, the tax professional explores the possibilities surrounding contributing in various ways, okay? So the tax professional may be interested in participating more in their community, giving back to their community, either via philanthropy, just actually giving money to certain organizations, scholarships so people can learn financial education or even tax prep, but also hiring people directly from their community to impact individual lives. Okay. Also, tax professionals sometimes start looking to be more innovative in the tax industry, looking for ways to innovate within this tax industry. And what that looks like is, they might think about making or developing a software or offering services or thinking about various approaches to tax preparation and planning that will benefit a wider selection of people. Okay. Phase three is actually where I am right now and is actually where I've been for the past few years. And to be quite honest, I've spent a few years in each of these phases. That's why this is a self-identified 3 phases. I didn't get this from anywhere. These are the phases that I went through and that I noticed that this is pretty much how tax professionals go through. First, you want the money, then you have the money, then you want time, then you have the money and time. Now, I'm at phase 3 where I want to make an impact. Okay? I want to make an impact. And that's part of the reason why you're listening to this video. Okay, I've created innovative ways to teach this community, tax professionals, okay, and even tax preparers, various aspects of the tax industry, of this business. And I actually continue to innovate in ways that I have not made public yet in the taxation industry. But stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. I want to be totally vulnerable with you all and honest. And I got to this place after I had the money, after I got the time. I got to the place where I wanted to do something with that money. I wanted to do something with that time. And I continue to have that desire to this day. And that's why I continue to frolic around in phase three, being impactful in as many ways as I can in this industry. Not only is what God told me to do, but it's just where I am. So the question is there a phase four? Maybe, perhaps. I'm not sure yet. If I ever get past this phase, though, the impact phase, and into a new phase, I'll let y'all know. I'll make another video and I'll explain it to you. But for now, I want you to understand where you are so you can understand what you need to do now. Okay? What you need to do now and what's next. Okay, guys? So until next time, until next video, I will see you then. Peace.